Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the TinyPNG file size limit problem using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your image won't upload, gets rejected, or shows a size limit error, this guide will help you solve it step by step. First, understand that TinyPNG has file size and batch limits. Very large images may fail to upload or process properly. Next, resize your image before uploading. So, reducing width and height can instantly solve most file size limit problems. Now, if your file is still too large, convert PNG to JPG. JPG files are usually much smaller in size. So instead of uploading many large files together, compress a few images at a time. This helps avoid overload issues. Next, if needed, compress the image once, download it, and then compress again carefully. But avoid overcompressing too many times to maintain quality. Finally, if TinyPNG still shows limits, try another free compressor tool temporarily. So this ensures your workflow continues without interruption. And that's how to fix the TinyPNG file size limit problem in 2026. Once you resize, convert formats, and compress in smaller batches, you can avoid most upload issues easily. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.